Good morning students. In last video lecture we have seen theory related to probability and some questions and examples. Today we are going to see examples and exercise. First of all we will see example number 8. See example number 8, what information has been given. An insurance company selected 2000 driver at a random. So number of driver is how much? 2000. Number of drivers is 2000. Without any preference of one driver over another in a particular city, to find a relation between age and accident. What we have to find? We have to find what relation between age and accident. The obtained data has been given in following table. Now see the table. Table is age of drivers 18 to 29, 30 to 50 and 50 above. Now number of accident 0, 1, 2, 3 and over 3. 0 is 440. For 18 to 29 group 440. 1 is 160. 2 110. 3 61 over 335. Like data has been given. See the data. This data has been given. Now, first question has been asked to find the probability of the following event for the driver chosen for being 18 to 19. Which group we have to take? 18 to 19 and having exactly 3 accidents in 1 year. How many accidents? 3 accidents in 1 year. For 18 to 29, 3 accidents in a year is 61. So, what will be the probability? Question of first answer P. Exact 3 accident. You have to mention the which event we are taking. Exact 3 accident for 18 to 29 years. So what is the total number? 61 and total number of driver is how many? 2000. So 61 upon 2000 is the probability. When you will divide, you will get 0.0305. Now see the second question. Being 30 to 50 of age, having one or more accident in a year. One or more than one means 30 to 50 we have to take one and more than, so we have to take this all data. So the answer of second will be probability one or more for 30 to 50 years will be. Now add it. 25 plus 60, 185 plus 40, 225. 225 upon 2000. How much it will be value? 0.1125. What? 0.1125. And last question, having no accident in 1 year. No accident in 1 year. So we have to take all data related to the 3 gate. So in third, probability for no accident. No accident will be, add it, 440 plus 505, that will be 945 plus 360, 1245, 1305. So 1305 upon 2000, that will be equals to 0.653. So now moving to question number 9. See question number 9. What information has been given in question number 9? Consider the frequency table in 14.3. Example number 4 of chapter 14 gives the weight of 30 students. Which gives the weight of 30. We have to move which chapter 14 and exercise 14.3 question example number 4. Table number 14.3, not exercise 14.3. Table number 14.3 and example number 4. So see that example number 4. First is find the probability that the weight of a student lie in the interval 46 to 56. What you have to see, how many students having weight in between 46 to 50. Give two events in this. Second question is give two events in this concept, one having probability 0 and another having probability 1. Now see first, total number of students is how much? So total number of students is 38. Total number of students is 38. Find the probability the weight of a student in class line interval 46. Now number of students, number of favorable outcomes, you can write number of favorable outcomes. That will be what? When you will see the table 46 to 50, how many students? Number 3. So number of favorable outcomes will be 3. Then what will be your probability? Probability of weight of a student. Weight of a student is in the interval 46 to 50 will be 3 upon 38. That will be equals to 0.079. Now we have to give two events in this content, that one having probability 0 and another having probability 1. Now see in the table, no student having weight less than 30 kilo. So what we can consider a student having weight 30 kilo. So in that case, in the given table, no student having weight less than 30. For that, it will be probability will be 0. And what we can take, a students having weight more than 30 kg. What two condition we can take? A student first. A student having probability for a student having weight less than 30 kg. Less than 30 kg will be 0. 0 upon 38. So probability is 0. Now take this is A. Now take B. A student having weight more than 30 kg. So all the students having weight more than 30 kg. So what will be probability? 38 upon 38. So in this case probability will be 1. Now move to question number, example number 10. 50 seats were selected at a random from each 5 bag of seats. 5 bag of seats, 50 seeds has been collected and were kept in a standardized condition favorable to germination. After 20 days, the number of seeds has germinated in each collection were counted, recorded as follows. So see the data, our data has been given. Bag, number of seeds germinated. Bag 1 40, bag 2 48, bag 3 42, base 4, 39, base 5, 41. More than 46 in a way. The number you have to see more than 40. So more than 40 is in three ways: 48, 42, 41. So the probability of first P event E1 you take, that will be 3 upon 5, that will be 0.6. Now what is E1? E1 is event having germination more than 46 in a bag. 49 seed in a bag. 49. No bag having germination 49, so PE2 will be 0. This is impossible event. 0 upon 5, so probability is 0. Now more than 35 seeds. More than 35 seeds are there in all bag. So PE3 will be 5 upon 5, that will be 1. Now moving to exercise 50.1 exercise. See all the questions. First question is, in a cricket match, a batsman needs a boundary 6 out of 30 balls C play. Find the probability C will not hit on a boundary. C. Question number 1. Total number of balls. Total number of balls is 30. Now boundary hits, number of time boundary hits. Number of times boundary hit is 6. So on how many balls C does not hit at boundary, that will be favorable. So number of balls on that not boundary hit. It is also our event, so mentioned by E. It will be 30 minus 6, that is 24. So our favorable outcomes is 24 and total number of outcomes is 30. So what will be the probability? PE will be 24 upon 30, that is 4 upon 5, that is 0.8. What is the probability? Probability is 0.8. Now moving to question number 2. See what information has been given in question number 2. In question number 2, 15 families, 1500 families. So total number of families is how much? 1500. With 2 children were selected randomly and the following data were recorded. Now the compute the probability of a family chosen at the random. Now, so total number of families is 1500. Now probability for 2 girls. 2 girls, how much? 475 upon 1500. So it will be 95 upon 300. 19 upon 60. For 1 girls, P1 girls, that will be 814. For 1 girls is how many number of family? 814. So 814 upon 1500. Now P probability no girls. Number of family having no girls, for that probability will be 211 upon 1500. 211 upon 15 upon. So we have done question number 2. Now moving to question number 3. Refer to example number 5 of section 14.4 of chapter 14. Find the probability of a student's class born in August. So you solve question number 3 by yourself. Now coming to question number 4. What is question number 4? In question number 4, 3 coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times. So number of times is 200. What? Number of times is 200. Now, if 3 coins come simultaneously tossed again, compute the probability of 2 heads coming up. Frequency are being given you. For 3 head it is 23, for 2 head it is 72, 1 head is 77, no head is 28. So here we have to see if coin are tossed simultaneously against, compute the probability of 2 head coming up. Means we have to find probability for coming 2 heads. So number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes will be, for 2 head see 72. So what will be the probability for 2 heads will be 72 upon 200, that is 36 upon 100, that is 0.36. What is the probability? 0.36. Now see question number 5. What information has been given in question number 5? An organization selected 2400 families. How many families? 2400 families at a random and surveyed them to determine a relation between income level and number of vehicles. The information gathered listed in the table. So see the table carefully. Now see the question. Find the probability that family chooses. Earning 10,000 to 13,000. First question is earning 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicles. 10,000 to 13,000 and owning 2 vehicles. For that, number of favorable outcomes is 29. What? 29. So what will be the probability? P. For income 10,000 to 13,000 and having 2 vehicles will be how much? Number of families 29 upon 2400. 16,000 and more than 16,000 per month and having exactly 1. So the probability of question number 2, PE2 will be, you mention E2 will be the earning more than 16,000 and having 1 vehicle. So it will be 579. So favorable outcome is 579 upon 2400. Similarly, question number 3, 4, 5 you do by yourself. Now come to question number 7. What is given in question number 7? To know the opinion of the students about statistics, a survey of 20 students were conducted. The data recorded in the following table. See. Total number of students is how much? Total number of students is 200. Now find the probability the student chosen at random will be like statistics. So probability P like statistics. What? Statistics. How many students are like statistics? See in the table, that is 135. 135 upon 200. So when you will divide, you will get 0.675. Now does not lie. So do not lie for probability 4 does not lie it will be what? 65 upon 200 divided, you will get 0.325. Now question number 8, refer question number 2 of exercise 14.2. What is the empirical probability that an engineer sleeps? So we have done questions in exercise 14.2. We have given data, and in that we have to make table for the distance between their working place and their home. So for that you have to find the probability in question number 8. Similarly, question number 9, 10, it is activity based, so you try to do it. Question number 11, see 11 bags of wheat flour, each marked 5 kg actually contain the following weight. Following weight. Now 11 bag has been provided and their weight has been provided. Now you have to find the probability. Find the probability that these bags chosen at random contain 5 kg, more than 5 kg of flour. So see the data: 5051, 5082, 5033, 5064, 5.085, 5.04, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So what will be question number 11? Number of favorable outcomes is 7. Total number of outcomes is 11. So probability will be 7 upon 11. So students, solve the remaining question. Thank you. Have a nice day. हो गया कितने मिनट